Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to Python list element sum. In Python, lists are versatile data structures that allow you to store and manipulate collections of items. One common operation on lists is calculating the sum of its elements. This tutorial will guide you through various methods to achieve this in Python, catering to different scenarios and requirements. This method involves iterating through each element in the list using a for loop and accumulating the sum. The sum function is a concise and efficient way to calculate the sum of elements in a list. This method utilizes the functools.reduce function along with the operator.add function to achieve the sum. Python offers multiple ways to calculate the sum of elements in a list. The method you choose may depend on factors like readability, simplicity, or specific requirements of your code. Feel free to experiment with these methods and choose the one that best fits your needs. ChatGPT. Title: Python List Element Sum Tutorial. In Python, lists are versatile data structures that allow you to store and manipulate collections of items. One common operation on lists is calculating the sum of their elements. In this tutorial, we will explore different ways to sum elements in a Python list with code examples. The most straightforward way to sum the elements of a list is by using a for loop. Here's an example. Python provides a built-in sum function that simplifies the process of summing elements in a list. Another approach is to use the functools.reduce function along with a lambda function. List comprehensions provide a concise way to sum elements in a list. Summing elements in a Python list can be achieved through various methods, each with its own advantages. Depending on the context and personal preferences, you can choose the method that suits your needs. The examples provided in this tutorial should help you understand and implement these different approaches in your Python projects. ChatGPT. Title: Python List Element Sum, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python, a versatile and powerful programming language, provides a straightforward way to work with lists. Lists are mutable and can store elements of different data types. One common operation performed on lists is calculating the sum of their elements. In this tutorial, we'll explore various methods to sum elements in a Python list, accompanied by illustrative code examples. The simplest way to sum elements in a list is by utilizing the built-in sum function. This function takes an iterable, like a list, and returns the sum of its elements. For those who prefer a more explicit approach, a for loop can be employed to iterate through the list and accumulate the sum. If your project involves numerical computations, the NumPy library provides an efficient and convenient method for summing list elements. The functools.reduce function can be employed to successively apply a binary function to the items of a list, reducing them to a single cumulative result. Conclusion. Summing elements in a Python list is a fundamental operation, and Python offers several methods to achieve this task. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the sum function, the explicitness of a for loop, the efficiency of NumPy, or the versatility of functools.reduce, you can choose the method that best fits your needs. Incorporate these techniques into your projects to handle list element summation with ease. ChatGPT.